parks around the world. When you are in a new place, there are always so many things to do. My favourite places to visit are parks. There are lots of different types. Let me tell you about 2 I have been to. While I was in Torquay last week, I visited Babbacombe Model Village. It's a miniature English village with beautiful gardens. You can see hundreds of miniature vehicles, shops, houses, castles and famous English landmarks like Stonehenge. It's great. You can even see what happens inside the tiny houses. The best time to go is at night, when thousands of lights light up the village. Last year, I went to Almaty Central Park, a fantastic amusement park in Kazakhstan. It's got lots of activities and attractions for the whole family. There are many different fairground rides and a cinema. You can even go on a camel ride around the park. If you want some exercise, you can rent a bicycle and go on a bike ride. You can even enjoy the beautiful plant and flower arrangements that are all around the park. Do you like parks? What are your favourite types of parks?